I-aftermath ye-solar eclipse, i-aftermath ye-88 Lionsgate portal, i-aftermath ye-new moon. Ake sibheke-ke ukuthi-ke wonke lama shifts lawa ebenzeka aseyishintshe kanjani iy'mpilo zethu futhi what is coming for us. So ngenza-ke i-weekly zodiac reading. Niyabona nani ukuthi-ke when it comes to i-passion, when it comes to i-drive, when it comes to making sure ukuthi izinto zakho oyimisele ngempilo yakho ziyenzeka and uyiphusha ukuthi ziye phambili, it's difficult manje ukuthi-ke uloku uyishaya indiva indaba yokuthi wena unezinto oyifisayo ukuthi-ke ziye phambili ngempilo yakho. So awusakwazi ukuthi uloku uyiziba lento lena, awusakwazi ukuthi-ke uloku ubheka lena le uyitshela ukuthi hayi izinto zizoyilungisa. Kunomlilo ngaphakathi kwakho okutshela ukuthi sukumela into zakho. Yiso-ke isikhathi esi-right lesi khona manje. Phezu kwalokho nje uyabona ukuthi-ke even nalana umqondo wakho usebenza ngenye indlela, ucabanga ngenye indlela. So awukuthembe umqondo wakho, awukuyithembe nje ukuthi-ke uyazazi izinto ekufanele uzenze ukuze impilo yakho izokwazi ukuthi manje ishifte iye phambili. Awukuyithembe ukuthi-ke emotionally i-intuition yakho lokhu ekutshela kona lokhu oboniswa kona ku-right vele. Labo bantu fanele baphume empilweni yakho, fanele uqhele kuleyo ndawo leyo ohlala kuyo. Apply for lo msebenzi lona okukhipha eSouth Africa. Inkulu into efanele yenzeke empilweni yakho and ama-positive shifts lawa azayo. Sizoqala ngani-ke ma-fire signs, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. So Aries, yabona wena njengoba uSaturn nje in retrograde kuyak-affecta-ke kakhulu lokho because it's about dealing with izinto ezenzakala ngaphakathi kwakho. Usuka kanjani when it comes to ama-boundaries? How strong are your boundaries? Because into ekufanele ngabe manje usuwenza sho ukuthi-ke lento yokuthi uxhaphazeke, lento yokuthi-ke abantu bazenzele umathanda empilweni yakho, bathathe iy'nqumo ngempilo yakho, into nje engasenzeki. So even with uMars in Cancer lana kuyasho ukuthi isaqhubeka le tension lena ebeyiloku ivela ey'ntweni zakho zasekhaya. So I've been giving you the same information since boma June about le tension lena ekhona ekhaya, but yazi ezinye izinto they need to be ironed out. Akusisi isikhathi sokubalekela izinto lezi. And then with uVenus in Libra, leyo nto leyo ke it's highlighting izinto ezimayelane ne-romance. I know ukuthi ke baningi abantu who are like ayibo sesiside lesikhathi I want to be with someone. So at least ke for wena Aries things are looking good. And then Leo, you know ukuthi ke the sun, when you are the only sign that is represented by the sun, as well as Jupiter balaphayana in your sign. So the sun is in Leo as well as Jupiter is in Leo. So we ask ukuthi-ke uJupiter uyinhlanhla. So nje fanele ngabe wena you are at your most confident right now and then inhlanhla ke lana is on your side. So thatha ama-chance, yenza izinto, izama izinto ezintsha, launcha lama projects akho lawa ofisa ukuwenza. Izinto ziza kahle, zizokuhambela kahle. Just trust in that. So yabona with Mercury being direct lana in the sign of Leo, if yabona bekunama issues when it comes to izinto ezimayelane ne-communication, lezi zinto zizoqala ke manje ziclearishe ke apho. If mhlambe kube ne-miscommunication noma ama-misunderstandings, ilapho esenizoqala nitholane khona ukuthi okay cha mina bengingasho ukuthi nayi into kahle kahle ebengiyichaza ngalento engishilo. So that's good if leyo nto ibikunikeza i-anxiety. And then Sagittarius, with Jupiter and the sun showing up in Leo, yabona for wena isivuselele lento yokuthi ke ufisa ukutravelisha noma ufisa nje ngazathi mhlambe ungaregister for higher learning noma kube khona iskill osifundayo noma nje kube khona ulwazi olusha oltholayo. So isikhathi esi-right ke ukuthi ke ukwenze konke lokho and ulwazi lo lozoshima usulitholile likusize futhi ke in the long run. So with Saturn in the sign of Aries lana kuyadimanda ukuthi ngathi kunama projects oloku ufuna ukuwenza, so uloku mhlawumbe uyaqala uyayeka fanele uqale ube serious ngalezi zinto lezi kufanele uzenze. So mawusuqalile make sure ukuthi you see things through, ungaloku uba u-touch and go. And then let's go into ama air signs, which is Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. So Taurus ke sibheka u-Uranus in the sign of Gemini. So kahle lana idila with your subconscious mind. I'm sure subconsciously uyabona ukuthi ke man kunezinto ofisa ngazathi zingaba guaranteed, zingaba ama showcase, rather than ukuthi ke uloku deal with izinto ezivele ishift esikhaleni noma izinto ezivele ishintshe, noma nje yabona i-energy unpredictable lena ebeyiloku yenzeka empilweni yakho, especially around izinto ezimayelana ne-communication, noma nje around indlela yakho, imicabango yakho, ama-ideas akho. So awukubheke lapho ukuthi ke yiziphi izinto ezikufikelayo ezikubonisa ukuthi kahle nazi izinto wena odinga ukuthi uzenze, ama changes ekufanele enzeke empilweni yakho ukuze uzoyi-achieve, whether i-emotional, i-mental, i-financial security, lokhu nje okudingayo empilweni yakho. So with Venus in Libra lana, it's good ukuthi ke umuntu okwazi ukubona ubuhle ey'ntweni ey'ningi. So awukuzameke nje ukuthi ubone ubuhle in taking care of i-health yakho. Yabona nje when it comes to your daily health routines, awukufocus phela lapho, zinakekele, jima endlini, akudingi ukuthi nokuthi uyosign up for i-gym endlini, do ama-exercises, maningi ama-exercises on YouTube, so akudingi ukuthi ke uze uyosigna up ejimini. Take care of your body. And then wena Virgo, yabona laphayana ngeyi-22 za-August, the sun izophuma from Leo izongena in the sign of Virgo. So kahle lento it's like izele ukuzokuvuselela, because the sun phela iyasivuselela, isilethela i-energy, isenza ukuthi ke siyibuke ngenye indlela empilweni zethu, and siba nje a fresher way of approaching izinto empilweni zethu. So expect i-renewal empilweni yakho. And then with Mercury in the sign of Leo, yabona kuzoba khona ama-tests ke abakhona when it comes to izinto oyicabangayo, whether you are riddled with i-anxiety, noma unama-ideas ofuna ukuwapresenta but mhlampe uyasaba. Go for it, yekela ukusaba, even though kuzoba mhlampe nabantu abakudawutayo, but who are they? They are not God. Put ama-ideas akho forward and make sure ukuthi ke before the sun enters into the sign of Virgo, into your sign, usuwa overcomile lama challenges lawa, a fear of being seen, a fear of being judged, the fear of criticized. So what if abantu ba-criticize? It doesn't mean fanele ungazami ukuthi uphushele izinto zakho phambili. It's go time manje guys, it's go time. So Capricorn, ake sibheke izinto zakho. Pluto is retrograde in the sign of Aquarius. So when into efanele ubhekane nayo kakhulu, it's about ukutransforma lana around ama financial habits akho. Imali yakho uyenzani? Are you overspending? Stingy? What's going on with your finances? Because manje the best thing ongayenza ukuthi ke utransform how you look at money. Scarcity mindset is also a very big issue. Ulento yokubuka imali as if fanele ngibambelele kule mali, angayisebenzisi noma kanjani le mali, ngenzeka ngingasabi. That's a scarcity mindset. Ukubona ngazathi lokho onakho angeke kusavuseleleka, angeke kube khona okungcono okuba khona noma okuzayo kuwe. So don't think like that. All right. Also with Mars in Cancer lana, imaphi ama-relationships noma ama-partnerships laphe kune-conflict khona, specifically ey'ntweni zasekhaya. So umndeni wakho, abantu ohlala nabo, yabona abantu ophila nabo, or maybe kungenzeka ukuthi ke i-conflict oyibonayo ukuthi ilaphayana emsamo. So those are things that you're gonna have to ukuthi ke uziphakamele, uyilungise. You know ukuthi ke wena izinto zakho zihambiselana nekhama, zihambiselana ne-structure, zihambiselana ne-order, because wena you are ruled by planet Saturn. So izinto zakho fanele ngaso sonke isikhathi wenze sure ukuthi ke zenzeka kahle, zihamba kahle. Isisekelo sakho it's always protected. Isisekelo sakho is ngaso sonke isikhathi it's firm, it's grounded. So ilungisa ke izinto wenze sure ukuthi when you move forward, when the sun shifts out of Leo into Virgo, uyamazi uVirgo uyi-perfectionist, so we don't want you ukuthi lokhu uba stuck yabo stop and go whenever you need to act, whenever you need to do izinto. Take care of your business. I-Lionsgate 88 portal, i-new moon, i-solar eclipse, kuningi ebekwenzeka manje from the 8th of August up until the 12th of August. So siyabheka ukuthi ke moving forward, masibheka nje ukuthi kuleli viki lelizayo, what do the planets have for us? Masibheka ama transits of wonke lama planets are active. So ku-part 1 ngenze ama earth signs, ngenza ama-fire signs, so manje senza ama-air signs and water signs. So sibheka uGemini, uLibra, u-Aquarius. Gemini ake siqale ngawe. So yabona u-Uranus is in the sign of Gemini. So yabona lana kunama breakthroughs ke akhona, and this is really good news. Remember ukuthi ke u-Uranus ufika ashifte izinto, enza izinto ukuthi ke zibe unpredictable. So it's sink or swim mangabe izinto zivele zishifte kanjena, fanele ubona ukuthi okay wenze njani, yabona how you make it out of whatever situation osuke ukuyo. It just shows ukuthi ke you've been surviving, you've been doing the right thing. So I'm really glad ukuthi ke izinto zakho sezizo resulta in lama personal breakthroughs lawa azayo. So with uVenus in Libra, dating life, izinto ke are looking good. Angazi abanye they want to be in relationships, abanye bafuna ukuphuma kuwo, kuningi nje isiphithiphithi. But ke otherwise, if when you've been single for isikhathi eside, or mhlambe you wanted to take things to the next level, isikhathi ke sesiyavuma ke manje. So even when it comes to ama projects ofisa ukuwenza ahambiselana mhlambe your own personal projects, your creative projects, izinto ofisa ukuzenza just to express yourself, maybe ucabanga i-podcast, maybe ucabanga ukubloga, ucabanga ukuvloga, ucabanga ukurekhoda njengoba ngenza, go for it, do it. Isikhathi esihle lesi ukuthi wenze izinto ezikanjalo. Libra, so uVenus is in your sign, and from 22 August the sun is going to be in the sign of Virgo. You are highly magnetic. Yabona nje uyachama na uyazizwa manje ukuthi azi labantu lana ngibaphethelana entendeni yesandla sami ngiyazenzela nje ngabo. You are very charming, so make sure ukuthi leyo charming yakho uyisebenzisela izinto ezi-right to make sure ukuthi whatever projects onawo uwaphushela phambili, izinto ezimayelane nebusiness noma izinto ezimayelane nomsebenzi, izinto ezizokwakha phela. You use this charm ukuthi attract the best parts of whatever situation osuke ubhekane nayo. Also with Jupiter in the sign of Leo, you'll be meeting new people, so maybe or you'll be getting the best out of labantu laba obajwayele in your social circles noma in your professional networks. So this is isikhathi esihle kakhulu ukuthi network kunama opportunities azokuvelela lana, either in your social circles or in your professional networks. And then Aquarius, uPluto is retrograding in your sign, and uyazi ukuthi uPluto uyabhidliza ebese ayakha kabusha into, but uyakha isingcono, isiza kahle, better than lokhu wena obukhalela ukuthi ke kudibikile lana. So it's just about yazi kune evolution eyenzakala empilweni yakho. I'm sure nawe uyayibona ukuthi ke ziningi izinto ezishintshayo. Singasho ukuthi ke you're experiencing growth, personal growth, spiritual growth, like i-rebirth. So uzalwa kabusha spiritually, and this is huge. Siyinto efanele uyithathe kancane, and I understand ukuthi if you've been going through a lot, it makes sense manje, because the spiritual growth is nothing small. So congratulations ukuthi usufike at a level lapho osugraduate khona. And then lana masibheka nje ama close relationships nama close partnerships, awukufake ukufakela ibuko lana and just check ukuthi okay ibaphi abantu abangidrainayo lana, even when it comes to imsebenzi, because imsebenzi iya representeka when it comes to ama partnerships noma ama business relationships. Are you still in the right partnerships na? Usakuzuza okukisa phambili ngokwempilo noma usubambelele just because nake nenza isivumelano? So it's time to go back and relook at ama contracts and renegotiate kahle ukuthi izinto ubone ukuthi ke are you still getting what you need out of whatever ukubambisana lokho okukhona. So masibheka ke kini water signs Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Ake siqale ngawe Cancer. So Mars is in your sign. Yazi ukuthi uMars umlilo. So uMars mawuhlangene namanzi kuyaboila lana. So but again, the good thing lana it's that kune boost of energy. Like uyazizwa na ukuthi ke you have a drive yokuthi uattende izinto ebeyiloku zikhathaza, izinto ebeyilokuthi mawucabanga ukuthi safanele uphakame wenze into kanjena uvela uzizwe manje ukuthi yoyo ngiyakhathala ke manje lana. So even nje ne drive yokuthi whatever it is that you want to do, you want to launch, you want to start isikhathi esi-right lesi, because you know ukuthi ke uMars mangabe i-energy yakhe uyi-channele in the right direction, uyilethe ngapha in the upright, iba yi-passion. So focus on ama-passions akho, iba yi-drive. Yabona nje, let your passions drive you, ube ne-patience with whatever it is lento oyenzayo, lento oyakhayo or lento lena oyi-creatayo. It's going to give you i-go-getter energy, and that's exactly what you need. But ma ungayisebenzisi kahle uzoyibona izoza la, izoba yi-conflict, kube yingxabano, kube ama-confrontation, ube impatient, yabona. So we don't need this energy here, we need it here ukuthi bhekane nezinto ezimayelane nomndeni, nekhaya lakho, your sense of belonging, yabona nje izinto ezikanjalo, izinto ezisemsamo kufanele ukuthi ke uyi-address, noma ama-domestic issues, noma ukulungisa izinto in your domestic life. This is good energy for things like that. So gadi temper, please ama-emotions, because umlilo angithi lona ukhumbule ngitheni about umlilo namanzi boiling. So be careful about ukuthi ke ama-tempers angabi phezulu kakhulu. Scorpio, I like this for you because manje lento ithi ke when it comes to izinto zomsebenzi, career advancement, things are looking good on the career front. I-career we also include izinto ezimayelane nebhizinisi. So if mhlawumbe you've been feeling like ngiya-apply but izinto azingivumi when it comes to izinto ezimayelane nomsebenzi, ngena kubhizinisi. Yabona nje ukuthi ke when it comes to ukusebenza noma ukuyisebenza, i-energy is in your favor. So with uMars in Cancer, I don't know if you've been thinking of travelisha, but yabona lana when it comes to long distance travel, noma mangabe bekunama issues obhekane nawo, ama legal matters, victory is here for you. So yiyo ke into that you can look forward to, uzolwina lelo cala lelo. So Pisces, uNeptune ke is in your sign. So kahle lana it's about awukubheka ukuthi ikuphi lapho where you focus on what could be, what should be, i-potential of a matter, ukuthi izinto fanele ngabe zikanjena, ukuphume from that mindset, ungene in the mindset ukuthi what's the reality of this situation, what is the reality of this person, uyiyo yini lo muntu lento engiyitshela ukuthi mina uye. So uzobona between izinto oyicabangayo, the ideal version of someone, thothi-ke usuthatha izinto ezincane ngaye wayi-hyper up, wamenza umuntu into angasiyiyo, you've projected ukulunga kwakho onto someone ongalungile. So awukubheke nje ey'ntweni ezikanjalo. So also with Venus in the sign of Libra lana, around shared finances and intimacy, awukubheke lapho ukuthi ke kulabantu labo bambisene nabo, whether it's financial or whether umuntu ke mhlawumbe ozwana naye, umuntu ohlekisana naye, mhlawumbe umuntu oshade naye. Is this an equal give and take situation, noma are you the one who's overgiving? Are you the one who shows up more ukuthi ke ubudlelwane benu noma umshado wenu noma i-partnership or whatever nje it is, noma this family relationship iresta kakhulu inekutheni wuwe ohlale uyisukumela kakhulu, but lo munye uthola equal benefit from into anga-investanga kuyo njengawe. It's very important ukuthi ke uyibheke izinto ezikanjalo. And enye into that's also important ukuthi when you withdraw your energy from lapho where you are overgiving but awutholi the same amount in return, awuyitholi i-reciprocation, don't feel guilty ma withdraw ama resources akho, ma withdraw i-investment yakho, mangabe withdraw whatever lento osuke uyi-investa in that relationship, because wonke umuntu must pull their weight here.